Hello and welcome to your next car video of the BMW 440 Grand Coupe in the black. As you can see, it's got all the Your Next Car black pack, Your Next Car performance styling, front splitter, front grills, 20-inch alloys with new tyres, got the privacy glass, sidebars, M Sport badging, privacy glass, Your Next Car spoiler, Your Next Car diffuser, and lovely two exhausts there, parking sensors on the back, driver's side nice and tidy, give you a close-up of the bodywork, no marks, no scratches. Vehicles do get polished before they leave. It's got the LED lights, front splitter, grills. Coming onto the east side, it's got a lovely red leather, memory seats, nice red door cards. On the inside you've got the heated seats, parking sensors, widescreen sat nav. Okay, service history, all done at main dealer. 2 services, last serviced at 24,375 miles. Okay, next oil change is due in 11,000 miles. Front brake pads due in 3,200. Okay, rear brake pads due in 11,000 miles. Heated seats, nice red leather seats, red and black door cards, black carpets. Okay, covered 26,238 miles. Sports gearbox. And we've got these sports settings there, Sports Plus. Got the DAB radio, Bluetooth media. Okay, just give you a bit of a rev of it so you can hear the exhaust. Not sure how well you heard that there, but it does sound like an absolute monster, this vehicle. It is one to be seen in. Sure you're going to get plenty of looks driving this vehicle. Black alloys just really complement the car. Everything is sort of black on the vehicle, other than the red leather, which is very, very striking. Okay, hope this video was helpful. My name's Naqib, N-A-Q-E-E-B. Thank you for watching and hope to see you at your next car very soon. We currently have 113 BMWs in stock over the 3 sites ready to drive away. Thank you for watching. Your Next Car, Naqib.